Guys, look! I found her here! I found her! Look, I found her! Look here! Oh man, look here, guys! Look here! I see her! I saw secrets. For those who know the others, but I can't. Oh! I don't. Oh man, what is that? By the way, I'm gonna keep the girly you're short. By the way, I saw that already. So later you would find some more secrets. It's because she hates her job, but she wrote in her book 1,100 times. Oh man. She wrote in her book 100 times, I love my job. I hate the confident pose. It's the... But guys, just look. This is where they go in, huh? Guys, right guys? You guys are right. What's the next thing? Oh, yes, I can go in. Oh man, I thought it was my chance. Oh man, I always jump too high. Oh man, I hate it. Guys, look! I finally found it. I don't know it, guys. I'm just gonna stay like this for a bit. So, guys, do you know something scary? Like, I'm gonna go in this. By the way, how did they know? She wrote. This is the copy. Look, the missing photos. Look at those missing photos. This is her copy, her clone. Look in her job. Look. You see that, guys? I don't fear the flag. User ID. I don't know how. Let me get there. Let me try. So how about you guys read it? You guys read it instead. I'm literally stuck on this pose. Can you guys help me read it? Go sideways for a bit. Oh, I thought that was easy. Wait, no. Guys, can you read it? I'm sorry if I can't read it. I'm gonna read it for y'all. Guys. My job. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. What? That's what I was talking about. I love my job. She wrote that 100 times in her notebook. But she hates her job. This is actually her clone. Yeah, not real. That isn't the real Anna. She has... That's not her full name. But I think... Oh, Nana. I'm gonna try to find out more secrets, guys. Wait, what? What's happening to her? What's happening to her? Wait, I think she saw something. We're stuck. Oh, she's just doing it. Wait. What is she trying to do? Get out of here? I think she's been stuck here. Or, I don't know. I don't know if she is a real player. I hope nothing bad. Oh, I thought this was free. It was invisible, literally. What the hell? That's so blind. Let's try to find some more secrets. Guys, remember the start? Well, you guys later, guys. I'm gonna make a part 2, alright? I'm gonna cut this for a moment and go to... But for the ones who skipped the first... I'm 73%. Yeah, I'm on myself. Don't tell in the comments why I sound like a kid. I actually sound like a kid. What just happened to my voice? We gotta. Get it. We're gonna get this. Wow. Cha-ching. I love it. Ba-boom. Ow. Wait, why is my pose redoing everything? What's happening to my clothes? I love this Muslim cloth. It looks so beautiful. Now, wait, for the people who... Wait, guys, wait. Guys, see that? Guys, oh, what's... Indonesia.
Hello, sis. Po. Oo. Mamaya, magbabalibol. Okay naman, sis. Mag-work lang ako. Tapos, 5 o'clock na ako aalis ng bahay kasi mag-work pa ako hanggang 5. Kung makakahiram kayo ng mas maaga ng susi, okay lang naman.
I love Just Impress on Roblox.
Oo nga.
Guys, see that? For the people who didn't watch
Sis, sasama si ano, diba? Sasama yung hipag mo. Si, ang pangalan nun, Jenny ba yun?
Okay na. Destroy.
Di, mag-aano ba siya? Mag-a-attend ba
That
silang
is
dalawa
me.
sa
That
Baptism
is
for
me.
the Dead? Sasama
That
sila
is
sa
me.
youth? Gusto nilang, subukan?
If there's nothing,
Di, kasi paano yung mga anak nila?
confident.
Oo nga, kasi ilang taon na yun? Ipasama ko lang kay Cassandra pag mag-session.
Oh man. I'm gonna cut
Iwanan
now,
lang natin
guys.
dun sa may
See that?
couches, sa may annex, diba? Marunong naman si Cutie
Goodbye,
doon.
guys.